You know, they like to put things on their heads. And ha! Hello, Liz here, coming to you from a different angle from the Chicago Children's Museum. Today we are going to be playing with cardboard boxes. What I love about cardboard boxes is they don't take a lot of preparation. Really, the only thing you need to do for your kids to have a fantastic cardboard box experience is set out a space. I like to use a blanket or something I don't mind getting marker stains on, and lots of boxes. I don't know about you, but I've been feeling a little bit guilty about all the boxes I've acquired from quarantine shopping, but luckily I can use them to play. So when I put the boxes out, sometimes I will seal them back up into a box form so it makes like a block. I'll leave them open because imagine what this could be. Maybe a boat. Maybe you could slide down something while you're sitting in it. I don't know. The other thing I like to do is cut windows in some of the boxes. This is definitely something you as the adult would do. I use a box cutter for this, or else you can also purchase a corrugated cardboard cutter that has this bright yellow handle. It's what we use at the museum a lot. But what's fun about making these windows is, any of you with toddlers, you know, they like to put things on their heads. And ha! What's extra fun about this is now they have a goofy window, right? So that's one option, things you can do. For littles, so even babies can play with cardboard boxes. What you can do is tape these boxes on the floor. No need for markers because they're probably not there yet, but tape them on the floor and they can use the boxes to help with pulling up. Big body movement, navigating through the space. It's great. And then what I have actually done at the museum, maybe you've done this with me, is draw on them. Let's see what color I want to get. I think I'm gonna use this. So putting out markers and just letting them have a great time. And I bet you didn't know that playing with boxes also develops early math skills, because the boxes are all shapes. They're all different sizes. So your kiddo is gaining all of this knowledge intuitively through play. And adults, a great way for you to help your kiddo isn't to direct them in how they should play with the boxes, but playing along with them. Just scribble, make brave lines all over. And I promise you, as an adult, this is quite enjoyable. And listen to the sound. You also get these great sensory experiences with the sound of the marker on cardboard. And lastly, what I also really like to do is stack the boxes. Da, 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 da. So again, the scale, the size is so fun when you're playing with boxes. And a lot of times kids aren't able to work with things that are so large. And because they're soft, you can also, when you're done building, knock it down. And so also when you're stacking these boxes, your kiddos are also practicing balance. So that's all I'm gonna give you today, because let your kids guide you. They're gonna see these boxes and they're gonna be in absolute heaven and have so many ideas of what to do with them. So thank you for joining me. If you make something so cool that you'd like to share with us, please tag us on social media. We're on Facebook and Instagram. We'd love to see what you guys make. And I personally miss you a whole lot. So I hope you guys are staying safe out there and playing a lot at home.